Hello everyone, welcome to Shu channel. Today I'm going to watch amazing places to see in Philippines, 7 wonders of Philippines. I see. What's 7 wonders in the Philippines? I'm so curious about this because I've already visited the Philippines a lot of times, and that's why I fascinated into Philippines. But this title suggests that there are more amazing things in the Philippines. Okay, let's see. Before watching the video, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to push the notification bell to not miss my future videos. Thank you. Okay, let's go.
Then to visit the place.
Oops.
So Seven Wonders of the Philippines.
Yeah,
The
beach.
Philippines is an archipelago
Ah.
of more than 7,000
Chocolate
islands,
hills.
offering countless natural wonders. And what's a better way to experience those than to visit the place? So hold on tight and fasten your seatbelt as I take you to a virtual trip to the 7 Wonders of the Philippines.
Okay.
Welcome to 7 Wonders of a Country series. This is the Life Hack Lion, the channel that gives you amazing life hacks and interesting facts. Make sure to watch this video till the end because you don't want to miss the gem of the Philippines. Number 7, 100 Islands National Park. It is
100
composed of
National
mainly
Park.
124 islands scattered in the Lingayen Gulf, covering an area of 16.76 square kilometers. 100 Islands National Park is popularly known for its magnificent natural geological formation. Located in Alaminos City, Pangasinan.
Oh,
the
Pangasinan.
islands
Yeah, I
also
heard of
feature
that.
Sand beaches
Yeah, I
and
heard this
forests
place is
within
beautiful.
100 Islands
I
is
never
about
been
2
there.
million years old and are said to be ancient
Wow.
forms that
Is
extend
that-
well inland.
Is
In
that
an area
Jesus Christ?
previously comprising the seabed of an ancient sea. Due to the lowering of the sea level, these corals were exposed to the surface and became the 100 Islands. As a tourist
Cold.
destination, it is ideal for swimming, diving, and snorkeling. This natural park also has rich biodiversity and is home
Oh,
to
rich
crab-eating
biodiversity.
macaques, Fraser's dolphins,
Oh,
sea
dolphins.
turtles,
Oh, sea
reticulated pythons, and so much more. The best part is that majority of the islands are not commercialized and are still unspoiled, so you will truly witness pure beauty and
Oh, I
nature.
see. So I can
Number 6,
See.
Tubbataha Reefs National Park.
natural.
Situated in
Still
the middle
in
of the Sulu
natural.
Sea, Tubbataha Reefs National
Sulu
Park is a
Sea.
World Heritage Site,
A World
which
Heritage
as an
Site.
atoll reef with a very high density of marine species. This marine protected area was discovered in the late 70s and has become the most remarkable coral
Is
reefs
that
on the
not the
planet.
Tubbataha
It is
Reef?
one of the top dive sites in the world for its extraordinary biodiversity and breathtaking underwater scenery. This national park is indeed a dream of any divers, from clean waters, lots of currents, and diverse marine life. It also offers divers more than a dozen dive sites to explore, where incredibly beautiful, healthy corals and pelagic-like manta rays, whale sharks, barracuda, and tuna thrive. If you are a non-diver, don't worry, because you can still catch a glimpse of this pristine coral reef by snorkeling.
Snorkeling.
Number 5, Chocolate Hills.
Chocolate Hills.
It is the most famous
It is in
and one of the
Bohol,
flagship tourist destinations of the Philippines. Located in the middle of the island of Bohol, Chocolate Hills consists of at
I
least
missed that place. I've been
1,268
there 3
hills
times.
over an area
Bohol.
of more than 50 square kilometers. At the end of the dry season, the famous hills earn their name when the grass turns from green to brown. At all times, they retain a uniform look with no trees or clumps of shrubs growing on them. The hills are not huge. The highest one barely reaches 120 meters in height and are
120
30 to
meters.
50
I
meters
see.
apart. Mystery still surrounds how this extraordinary landscape was formed. According to a legend, there were two giants fighting for days and hurling earth and stones at one another, forming the beautiful landscape of Chocolate Hills. However, according to geologists, the hills are weathered formations of a marine limestone lying on top of an impenetrable clay base. Whatever their origin, this magnificent landscape is truly a wonder. Number 4, Hinatuan Enchanted River. Tucked in the
Oh.
forests of the province of Surigao del Sur,
Enchanted River.
in the island of Mindanao.
Yeah, I heard
the
of that.
Hinatuan Enchanted River is
So
one of the
I'm
natural
still
wonders
taking
of the Philippines.
an
It
English
is famous
class
for its
from
unusually
Filipino
clear
teachers,
waters,
but
mostly
um,
centered in the Blue
many
Lagoon,
teachers
and
suggested
seems
me
get
to
more alluring
visit
the
here,
longer you stare.
Enchanted River.
It is around 80 feet deep saltwater river that flows into the Pacific Ocean.
Hmm.
This beautiful river is largely unexplored, and its mysterious depths have led to various stories of it being dwelt on by mythical spirits.
I see.
According to folklore,
Yeah, I need to
during the
visit
night,
here
various
someday, but
species of
it
mermaids
seems
gather
so
to play
far
and sing around
from
the
Manila.
house. Hence, its popular name,
But is
Enchanted
it
River.
worth it?
Another enigma about
Yeah,
this
it's
natural
worth it.
place is the
Yeah.
different varieties of fish in various colors. Every afternoon, everyone is asked to exit the waters, and a tune called the Hymn of Hinatuan is played. Then a large school of fish will surface out of nowhere, and no one knows where they come from or where they go. Then they are fed by the staff members. This mesmerizing, almost surreal display continues for about an hour, during which no one is allowed to enter the water. Since its rehabilitation in 2017, swimming has been prohibited in the Blue Lagoon,
Oh,
but you can still take up a designated area
so I cannot
10 meters away.
get into
Number 3,
River.
Banaue Rice Terraces.
Banaue.
It is a
Yeah, yeah,
2,000-year
Banaue.
old terraces that were carved into the mountains of Ifugao. Banaue Rice Terraces was built largely by hand, making it a natural wonder that combines the harmonious interaction
I-
between people
I've
and
been
its
there.
environment, creating a breathtaking landscape of great aesthetic. This
This
spectacular
place is really
landscape is well
isolated
preserved,
place.
not only due to its
And
vital role in tourism,
It
but
took
also the social and
12
economic
hours
well-being
from
of the locals.
Paguput.
Until now, locals still plant rice and vegetable on the terraces. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is described as a memorial to the history and labor of more than a thousand
And I
generations
bought
of
the
small-scale farmers who,
rice
working
wine.
together as a community, have created a
Authentic-
landscape based
authentic
on
rice
adaptive
wine
and sustainable use of natural resources.
That Sari Sari
Truly,
store
the
nearby.
rice terraces stand as
this
a testament
rice
to
terrace.
ingenuity, culture, and traditions of the people who lived in the Cordillera mountain range. Number 2, Puerto Princesa
Puerto
Subterranean
Princesa.
River. It is a protected area in the country which features a spectacular limestone karst landscape and an underground river. The site
Yeah,
represents
this
a
is well-known
significant
place for tourists, but
biodiversity conservation and boasts a full
I've
mountain
visited
to
the
sea
Philippines for
ecosystem.
business
In
trip
2012,
mainly
it was
before the
officially
pandemic,
confirmed
so
that the Puerto Princesa
yeah,
Subterranean
I
River
didn't
is one of the new 7
went
wonders
to
of
this
nature.
kind of
The cave inside this
typical
UNESCO World
tourist
Heritage
spot,
is
so
one of the largest
I
cave
envy
rooms
someone
in the world
going there.
and stretches for a total of 24 kilometers long, flowing directly into the West
Yeah, I need to
Philippine Sea.
take time
The
to
river system was created millions of
visit
years ago
here.
as water channeled its way through the rock, creating a series of vast chambers and caverns. The river and caves are home to a complex ecosystem, with many of the species found are endemic to the river system. And last but not
Last
least,
one, okay.
number 1, Mayon Volcano.
Mayon volcano.
It is an active
Volcano?
volcano situated in the province of Albay and renowned for having an almost perfect cone because of its symmetrical shape. Mayon is Bicolano language that means beautiful. Definitely,
Oh.
this majestic cone is the most picturesque natural wonder of the country. Mayon volcano
Okay,
covers
volcano.
an area of
The is the best.
5,775.7 hectares, which includes its adjacent surroundings. rising more than
Uh,
2,400
yeah,
meters
but
above sea
yeah.
level. Mayon volcano dominates the
So
flat plains of Albay.
Mount
That means
Fuji
you
in
can see
Japan,
its
it's also
mesmerizing beauty even when
uh,
you are in the neighboring
one of
towns.
volcanic
However, it takes some
mountains.
patience to
So
witness it in its full
yeah,
glory,
it's the
and
same.
it is usually covered in clouds.
Mm,
According to a local belief, if you can see
yeah,
the
yeah,
peak
yeah.
of Mayon
This
volcano
shape
the moment you
is
step
yeah
in Albay,
good.
it's like the nature telling you
Mm.
you are beautiful. Aside from the breathtaking scenery, you can also avail of an all-terrain vehicle or an ATV tour
Yeah,
to
yeah,
see
yeah.
the
This
volcano's
kind of
crater.
vehicle
At the
is
top,
also
you will be struck
seems
in
fun
awe
to
at
ride.
the panoramic view of the surrounding towns and the Pacific Ocean. Do you know some other wonders of the Philippines? Or do you have any requests for our next video?
I see.
Let us know in the comments section below.
I see. This is not what I thought. Yeah, so several topics. Yeah, what I've imagined like chocolate hills, um, Puerto Princesa, but yeah, I never thought this. The first place is Mayon volcano. Hmm, I see. Okay. I yeah, but yeah, I need to go to the places suggested from this video because yeah, I need to explore more in the Philippines. Mm. Okay. Okay. Today's video is it. Again, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to push the notification bell to not to miss my future videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.